Science channel for unlimited learning. In this specific session, I'm going to talk about those resources or books you can follow to prepare for GATE, data science and AI. The books and a few playlists which I have included in this particular video which you can follow. I'm not saying that those are very appropriate for GATE just because this is the very new paper in GATE and there is no any appropriate resource already recorded or available anywhere. So you'll have to explore the things which are only included in GATE. You'll have to be selective among those resources and hence it will be definitely initially little hectic for you guys to of course follow these resources. My name is Vishvadeep. If you don't know about me, I have written GATE exam in computer science multiple times, masters in systems courses from IIT Bangalore, then in data science from BITS Pilani in 2018-2020 so that I could learn data science and machine learning. I do have experience of learning and implementing data science machine learning and I do have experience of more than 16 years of teaching. If you are watching my video on this channel, please follow the channel, subscribe it and turn on the notification so that you will not miss any of the session which we are going to conduct on this specific channel. Maybe recorded, maybe live. Most of the sessions here are live only. Okay, so let's start with the first course, probability and statistics. So we have the syllabus as follows. We have mathematics. For mathematics, we have three parts: probability and statistics. Then we have linear algebra. Then we have calculus. These are the math part. After that, we have Python language in the syllabus. Then we have data structure and algorithm in Python. Then we have machine learning. Then we have DBMS, database management system and data warehousing. And we have AI. This is the syllabus. So for probability and statistics, as far as I could collect, this is really good book, data analysis and mathematical statistics. This is really good book by John A. Rice, 3rd edition. I have followed this particular book for a few topics only, not many, but for sure this is a really good book. Apart from that, probability and statistics in this particular book you can definitely get a lot, but a few topics maybe here and there you can have. You will have to understand those topics which are missing and then you can search those topics in other books also. Apart from that, linear algebra. For linear algebra, I will recommend two books: Introduction to Linear Algebra, basics one, and then Matrix Computation, second one. These two books are those which will teach you linear algebra for machine learning. तो मैं यहाँ आपको बोलना चाहूंगा कि this linear algebra actually it is for machine learning. Just because linear algebra can have many applications in various fields, but these two books I will recommend for specifically for machine learning: Gilbert Strang and then this Jean and Charles. These two books you can follow for linear algebra. Next one is for calculus. For calculus, I'll tell you two books. One is deep learning book by Goodfellow, Bengio and Corwell. This particular book involves these topics. These are the topics for your machine learning also. You can see that those gradient descent, machine learning algorithms. So this particular book will include these things. Definitely it will help you learning a lot of machine learning. Apart from that, one more calculus book we have, Mathematics for Machine Learning. This book nothing but includes almost everything of mathematics for machine learning. Not only calculus, it may include a lot of topics. So partial derivatives, where you can have lot of chapters are there, differential equations and lot of things are there. So those things can be used for multiple different places. Then next is Python. For Python, though, you can follow my playlist also on this channel itself. In that playlist, I have covered Python basics, a few things like list, what is list, set, etc., list slicing and all, very basics which are needed for only machine learning and data science applications. That much only I have taught. But this time when the actual course comes for Python, I will teach only for gate DA in detail everything, which includes many more things like how to write functions, how to call them, etc. A lot of things are there. So for Python, this is the book Learning Python by Mark Lewis. This particular book is really good. And next one is data structure and algorithm. For data structure, you can follow my this Infinity Batch playlist. The playlist is here. But this particular playlist which I am having or I am recommending here, this particular playlist in C language. Till now, I haven't taught Python mein, data structure in Python, but basics of data structure, everything I have included here. Now, if you would like to learn Python data structure and algorithm in Python, then for sure this particular book, Grokking Algorithms, will help you. An illustrated guide for programmers and other curious people. Aditya Bhargava. This is really good book. Recommended by many people in the field. They say that this particular book is amazing. It covers from basics to the next level, how exactly you can understand the algorithms, mathematics behind it, and a lot of things implemented in Python. Then DBMS. I already have taught DBMS. There is no any difference in DBMS topics in GATE CS and GATE DA. Nothing difference, zero difference, only in DBMS. So you can definitely follow this particular playlist. This is the QR code for it. You can write on YouTube DBMS playlist Vishvadeep. You'll get this particular playlist. Complete playlist is there. A good comprehensive explanation I have given. If you guys are Plus members, you can get this particular DBMS course on Unacademy Plus also. I may wait on one particular thing in DBMS. अगर आप GATE DA की preparation कर रहे हैं, if you are preparing for GATE DA, then in DBMS, especially linear algebra, relational algebra and SQL, these may have more typical questions, more detailed questions related to others. Other than that, data warehousing. This is a basic data warehouse toolkit book by Rolf Kimball. This is quite a comprehensive book to cover your syllabus. And apart from that, machine learning, this is one of my favorite book. Machine learning, amazing book this is. I have followed this particular book up to certain level when I was in my masters in BITS Pilani. This is also a good book when you go for beginners level by Oliver Theobald. Okay, for machine learning, there is an educator and his name is Andrew. This particular professor is from Stanford University and he has taught machine learning online. Andrew NG, and that fellow has taught machine learning online. If you want to follow his lectures on YouTube, you can follow those two. A comprehensive playlist is there of machine learning and you can learn it. Definitely, it's a really good source of learning, only machine learning. This is really good, but I may suggest before going for this particular playlist and these two books of machine learning, you should know very well the mathematics part of this. Definitely, if you don't know mathematics part of machine learning, then you will struggle understanding in these things. अगर आपका math part weak है, before going for this, math को अच्छे से करके जाइए. If math is weak, you will definitely struggle understanding this. तो ये book तो है ही काफी अच्छी, ये वाली बुक तो और ही एडवांस लेवल की है. ये प्लेलिस्ट आपको तभी समझ में आएगी जब आप डेफिनेटली कुछ अच्छे से, बहुत ही अच्छे से मैथ पढ़ के जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट है एआई. एआई के लिए दीज टू बुक्स आर रियली गुड. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस बेसिक्स, एआई बाय एग्जांपल्स. दीज आर क्वाइट फाइन बुक्स, नॉट too great syllabus we are having in AI. It's completely theoretical, and of course you can cover that particular topic with a simple reading of these books also. Okay, apart from that, a lot of students are asking, sir, are the NPTEL videos enough? I'll tell you once again that you will have to be very selective about your GATE preparation. Wherever you find a video series, let's say about machine learning or maybe artificial intelligence, whatever it is, those topics are covered for the skill development, not for GATE. For GATE, you will have to be very selective. Whatever is there in your syllabus, that only you will have to learn. Up to that GATE extent only you will have to learn, not for the implementation purpose or not for other purpose. So how exactly that differs from your those playlists? GATE, problem solving theoretically, mathematically, that's it. Implementation, not there. How you implement machine learning in a specific language, let's say Python, using some scikit-learn or some kind of TensorFlow kind of libraries of Python. No, it's not there in your syllabus. Artificial neural network, what is there mathematically? Yes. Implementation, not there. So you will have to understand that the implementation part we don't need here. Right now, we are not aware that implementation part will be included in our syllabus in GATE or not. Once the paper will be done, then only we can understand that. So if you are learning, let's say from somewhere, maybe some kind of playlist or some kind of video lecture series from some websites, etc., you will have to understand what is there for GATE and what is not. If you want us to help you, we are going to bring very, very soon a comprehensive experience of GATE DA learning on Unacademy paid platform. Within a week, it will be launched and you will get the best possible learning from us for GATE DA. जितनी जल्दी हो सकेगा हम अनाउंस करेंगे और डेफिनेटली आपको एक ऐसा लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा जो आपको और कहीं भी कैसे भी नहीं मिल सकता. Me, especially, I am always standing for the students. You ever need me, just come to any of the Plus class, ask me a question, sir, this is the problem, you'll have to solve this particular problem, I am available. Just drop a message on the Plus group or anywhere personally to me. I will try to connect you through phone call or through text messages. Somehow I will be helping you. And here, that's why I am standing in front of you guys and giving all these sources so that you can initiate your preparation a bit, at least before anything comes on your way. इसीलिए मैं यहाँ पे लेके आया हूँ. DBMS के लिए कौन सा बुक अच्छा है? आप DBMS के लिए बुक की बजाय ये प्लेलिस्ट अगर फॉलो करेंगे, that will be enough. I don't think so you will need book, but still, if you want a book, there are two books. One is by Korth and one is by Navate. These two books are great to go ahead. These two books, one is by Korth and one is by Navate. These two books are amazing for DBMS. BCA student can write any GATE exam बेटा, बिल्कुल लिख सकते हो. सिलेबस को चैप्टर वाइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर दो. देखिए चैप्टर वाइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सारे सिलेबस का हम डिटेल में एक्सप्लेनेशन भी देंगे और पढ़ाएंगे भी, चैप्टर वाइज पढ़ाएंगे. बहुत जल्दी सॉल्यूशन आपको मिलेगा इस चीज का कि आपको चैप्टर वाइज लर्निंग मिलेगी रादर देन सिर्फ चैप्टर के नाम मिलेंगे. बहुत जल्दी आपको ये मिल जाएगा. अगर आप गेट सीएस का प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं या करना चाहते हैं तो उसके साथ गेट डीए का सब्सक्रिप्शन आपको फ्री में मिलेगा. अगर आप गेट 2025 या 2026 के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो आप जल्दी से बड़ा सा सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लो गेट सीएस का और आपको गेट डीए एब्सोल्युटली फ्री उसके साथ ही मिल जाएगा. दोनों आपको कंबाइंड मिलेंगे. ये कोड लगा लीजिए ताकि आपको डिस्काउंट, एक्स्ट्रा मंथ का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो 19 अगस्त तक मिलेगा वो, और मेरा पर्सनल गाइडेंस आपको मिल जाए. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको पर्सनल गाइडेंस चाहिए मेरी टीम का, आप जल्दी से कोड लगा के सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लीजिए. अभी तक गेट डीए के क्वेश्चंस मार्केट में अवेलेबल है नहीं तो फ्रीली तो दूर की बात है, आपको पेड में भी अभी मिलेंगे नहीं. बट आई ऑलरेडी पुट माई टीम ऑन द वर्क. जितनी जल्दी हो सकेगा आपको गेट डीए के क्वेश्चंस, स्पेशली मशीन लर्निंग, मैथमेटिक्स, एआई और डेटा वेयर हाउसिंग के मिलेंगे. पाइथन लैंग्वेज के साथ में मिलेंगे और वो मिलेगा आपको पेड प्लेटफॉर्म पे अनअकैडमी के. जैसे ही कोर्स लॉन्च होगा मैं आपको बता दूंगा. मेरी टीम ऑलरेडी काम करना शुरू कर चुकी है और क्वेश्चंस बनाना शुरू कर चुकी है. तो आप लोग जल्दी से इस सेशन को लाइक कर दीजिए और जुड़े रहिए मेरे साथ में. स्टे कनेक्टेड विद मी. We will bring a very great course on GATE DA very soon. Thank you so much for listening out this particular session. Please don't waste time on any other things which are not related to your preparation. Keep working on your preparation. I am 100% sure that if you are focused towards your learning, if you are consistent towards your learning, you will achieve that particular goal 100%. Thank you so much for joining. Have a great day. Happy learning. Bye-bye.